Welcome to Mouse vs. Cat Toy, Rattle Ball Edition, here on Meece's Pieces. Meet Blue. She is the star of today's episode. Blue, meet Rattle Ball.
Nah.
Well, we're off to a great start.
What's that? Do you smell that? What are you looking at? What are this? Oh, another one. Okay. Smells a little weird. Poop.
Do you think she likes them?
How could you possibly tell? Send help. Just a quick pick-me-up. Now, where was I? What is that smell? Is it you? Is it me? What can it possibly be? Is this what fun is? Hiya! More fun. Whoops! More. Oh, more. Alrighty then. Hey, that's mine. This is great. Isn't it great? So many smells. Lots of fun. Excuse me. Seriously, what is that smell? Anyway. Ooh, missed a spot.
4 hours later.
La-dee-da-dee-da. Dee-da-dee. Oh, hi there. So we're still doing this. Okay. There's that smell again.
Maybe rattle balls aren't her thing?
They are in fact not my thing. What? Smells like I'm not interested. Oh, wait. Yes, please. So now what? What do you want from me? Get out of here. Come on, man. I can't take it anymore. Please, no. I'm done. Where's lunch? /ignore. Oh, you again. That's nice. I forgive you. I'm still hiding. I swear, never again. These do smell weird. Gee, thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Meece's Pieces. Okay, bye.